it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I am so excited because I'm going to be wrapping up January in my A5 Daily Duo and also setting up for February. I've got my celebrations collection. This is the 2021. I know the 2022 just launched, but I've still got all this one. I just got it recently, so I'm going to be a year behind and totally fine with that. Over here I've got some markers and then also some Mama Gloria plans to help me set up for February. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so taking a little pulse check on where I am with relation to my goals so far. Fitness, I did hit my 1300 MEEPs this month. MEEPs are my zone effort points. It's a heart rate monitor that I use. So that has been going pretty well. Peloton streak is still in progress. And so these things are going. I have been improving. My form's definitely better. So that feels like it's on a track. As far as nutrition's concerned, I've been doing my Weight Watchers personal points and then also my water so far every single day. So that has been really great. I'm down some pounds, not quite 5 yet, but again, this is meant to be done in 6 months. So I feel like I still have time to reach my goals there. As far as YouTube's concerned, a couple lulls, definitely didn't get as much videos out as I wanted to. I find that when I do more videos, I get more creative because I get more comfortable and just, I don't know, overall I feel like I improve with my YouTube quality when I do more videos. So I definitely do want to pick that up a little bit this month in February for sure. Instagram posts are going just fine. No concerns there. Work, I did actually everything I wanted to do in the next 6 months here for my work, personal, professional development for work. So that was going really great. Knocked all of that out within the first month. Still learning, it never stops my work, so no worries there, but at least my minimum goal was already hit. As far as decluttering, I got my one thing decluttered for the month, so that is awesome. All right, let's keep it moving. So here's what I had for January. As far as all of this, I think what I want to do is just kind of sum it up. Instead of doing wins, I think I want to just total all my minutes and see what my exercise minutes look like here instead of doing wins and work on. I think that'll be more motivating for me. So I'm going to I'll come back after I do some math. Let me math this and I'll come right back. Okay, so I did some math and I'm back. And I think I want to use these, they're Christian designs, just like these little labels, I guess. I'm just gonna grab a few in the same colors that I used and just kind of start to put down some boxes here. Okay, so all of these are my minutes. I'm gonna do first strength, and here's cardio and total. And strength was 640 minutes. Cardio was, I could have placed that better not over the whiteout, but that's fine, 330 minutes. And then my total is 970. And it is late at night on the 31st, not super late, like what, I think maybe 9 o'clock. But it is tempting to go do something for 30 minutes just to round that out to an even grand. But that's cool. We're just going to leave it. And I think that's going to be my goal for next month, to hit and exceed 970 and get at least 1,000 exercise minutes. I think that that's a good benchmark to keep improving. Obviously this was doable. I had a couple blank spaces, but I also had a few weeks where I was like crushing it every day. So let's try to beat that and go from there. As for weight loss, I started at 158 and I finished this morning. I weighed in at 154.4. So that is not quite 4 pounds. So still, I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's a good overall sustainable, kind of pacing for weight loss for me, and that makes sense. So I think that is good, and we will keep on going from there. I also did take progress pictures, and so I'm sure I'll put those up at some point here. But I was really happy to see that I kind of just tightened up a little bit overall. So that was nice to see progress pictures as well. I'm glad I took those. Otherwise, it would have felt like I kind of dropped early and then just kind of spun my wheels for the past few weeks, which it did feel like that to some extent, because my weight kind of fluctuated a lot from like here to here, about the same weights, kind of just stayed the same. So I do want to kick it up a notch and just try a little bit harder next month. And I think that I can totally do that. All right, so meal plan, whatever. On this page, I want to wrap it up, take that out of there, by putting a little photo here from the month. And I have this one of Wesley playing hockey. I think that it is a good one. This is one of his very last games before he got that concussion and we had to pull him from hockey completely. I think about it every day. I feel bad, but I also don't want him to die, obviously, or anything horrible to happen to him. So if it comes to hockey or, you know, life-altering injury, we'll just pull him from hockey. Anyway, sad. I'm gonna put the picture down and then we'll move on. And before I put this down, I do have this little stamper thingamabobber so that I can make the corners rounded. Since this is rounded here, I think it might look nicer to have just a little bit of a softer edge. So I'm just gonna give it that, hopefully this works here, little punch just to give it that little bit of a round, and then I'll stick it down. I just printed this on my little Canon Ivy. That thing has been so much fun. I really enjoyed having it just for stuff like this, to do a little bit of, tiny little bit of memory planning in this planner. I think I'm gonna write down a couple of things that happened for this month. Let me find if I can find the marker that matches the teal. All right, so just a couple of good things that happened this month. At least a couple things. I mean, I'm gonna write down Wesley's because I wanna remember this is the month he played up until here. So Wes, last game. And also Chris got his boot off from having his ankle broken a lot of the winter here. But I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, like I said, didn't hit the YouTube videos, that's okay. And what pen did I use here? Because it wasn't the same as that. Okay, I have no idea what happened. I thought that was the same thing. Weird. Anyway, like I said, didn't hit the YouTube videos. And also, I noticed I didn't call my sister. We texted a little bit, but we really didn't talk on the phone. So that's going to definitely be a priority for next month for sure. All right, and that pretty much wraps up January. So I'm ready to move into February. You know, I was thinking about it, and this is the first month in a warm color I've had in like forever, because I've switched planners so much, and every time I've switched, it's been in like a green, a teal, a navy, and I haven't had any warm colors in, it feels like, again, several months, maybe 8 months. It's been a really, really long time. But yeah, I'm probably way too excited about the magenta. Anyway, I do have this Hello February that I think is cool. I might want to use that. But I think that I also have like a February thing in here too. Yeah, so I think maybe I'll put one of those there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use one for the meal planning page and then one for here. Just gonna put that like that. And then over here, this will be for that meal planning page. I'm just gonna stick February up top here and then just label it meal plan, because that's what it is. All right, and I also found these stickers out of this Erin Condren sticker book. This one just says love. I don't know if I can get it up though. And then some florals as well. I think I'm just gonna put the florals here. I think that looks good. I don't know that I need this anywhere. I think it doesn't add anything, so I'm going to not do it. Okay, but I think that looks fine. Not a whole lot going on there, just a couple stickers, but that's all it needs. Next, I'm going to do all the dots for the fitness stuff because that worked so well last month, so I'm going to just continue it. I'm just gonna flip it and just start doing dots, and we're gonna speed this up because that would be really tedious if you had to watch all of those dots. All right, so that is my fitness page all set up and ready to go. It is blank, nothing going on there so far, but I've got my little key set up, I've got all my dots, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so moving into the dashboard here, like I said, that's gonna be a meal plan, so that'll fill out as I do that. But let's go ahead and put on this really pretty kit from Mama Gloria. So it's just this like really pretty periwinkle with florals, and I just think it looks really, really cool. I love the big habit tracker at the bottom. So actually I'm gonna refer back to the habits that I just finished in January. Now that I flipped that, let's flip back again. So I wanna keep up with the same habits this month just because they worked out, like I said, worked out really well. So I wanna just keep that going. WW personal points. And then I'm gonna skip a line just to space it out because I don't have that many habits. I'm gonna go Peloton next. It's been really fun keeping that streak going for sure. It's like super motivating. Even if I just do something small, it's still better than not doing anything at all. H2O, and that has been like 90-ish ounces a day. And then vitamins. Next, I think this is for here. I really want to use this sticker, but I don't, like, I kind of liked how I did it this time. You know what I'll do? I think I'll put it down, and then when I have my photo on top, I will just kind of move it so that it's here, and then I'll put like my little bullet points down below, and I think that'll work out great. So I'm still going to use it. I was on the fence. And then this one will be my get it done, random goals there. And then, well, oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll put keep in touch for this one, and then get it done and goals and stuff on that one. I think that makes more sense. Okay, so this one, well, do I have a goal sticker? I probably do. I'm gonna come back to that because I think I probably have something that says goals somewhere. Down here, this is going to be keep in touch. Find a goal sticker. This is from Alexandra Nicole Plans. This is the Facebook and YouTube freebie. And so I'm just going to stick the word goals right there. And then as those come to me, I will stick those on. All right, so let's put it all together now. Let's start, I'm kind of go left to right, I guess. My gosh, look how cool that looks. That looks totally awesome. That's gorgeous. Okay, I thought I was in my dashboard a lot last month, but I feel like I'm gonna be in it even more this month. It just turned out really cool. I'm loving that. And then the next page, we start on the 1st of February. So yeah, I think that just about does it. So to recap, we started off with this little cover page for the month, moved on to the monthly, which I use as my fitness tracker. Got a meal plan ready to go. And then we've also got this gorgeous dashboard, all stickers by, like I said, that's Mama Gloria. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in and following along with today's monthly plan with me. So appreciate it, especially if you're here all the way at the end. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.